Like fitters, you're going to be doing linear equations today, and you're going to be doing a linear equations escape room. So your goal is to get through this whole entire document. There's 6 sections, okay? Well, in reality, more like 4. So there's 4 questions total. So to begin, first type your first and last name so I can give you credit. And so your goal, I will give you credit if you make it through the whole entire escape room, all right? So read the directions, type your answer in the box. Use scratch paper if needed. If it doesn't unlock, make sure you read the letter in red for a hint. Recheck your answer and try again. If you need any help with this, do it with a friend. Email each other or you can email me, okay? So to begin, type go in this box provided right here. So what you should do is type in go right here. Okay, let's go and begin. So puzzle 1, what you're doing is solve the following equations and identify the correct answers. So you'll solve for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All right. The letter below the correct answer, so E, B, or S, will help you form the code word to unlock puzzle 1. The first letter, so the first letter in one of these, so it would be E, B, or S. The first letter of the problem 1 is the first letter in the code, and so on. So the first letter will be here, second letter, third letter, fourth letter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh letter in a row, okay? Solve them, and you will find the code. Once you have the code, you can type it in the box here, and you will move on to the next level. Puzzle 2. Complete the following tic-tac-toe board to find the 3 in a row. There is only one correct way to make a tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. The code to unlock the puzzle will be the product of the 3 answers. Product, meaning you're going to multiply your answers together. Multiply, that's product, all right? So if we were to do this one here, W plus 3/4 equals 1/8. We're going to have to combine like terms, so you're going to subtract 3/4 on both sides, and your answer will be O, negative 5/8. So your answer should be O, right? And then we can do the next one. X minus 12 equals 1/12, or 1/12, or negative 12. Geez, it's late. So you're going to add 12 on both sides. That's going to give you 0, so this one's X. Next one, 5 times 2g plus 1 equals 5g. You're going to multiply 5 to both pieces, right? And then you're going to be left with 10g plus 5 equals 5g. Combine like terms by subtracting 10g on both sides, so you'll be left with negative 5g equals 5. Divide by negative 5, and your answer will be x. So x, right? You're going to continue that process till you get 3 in a row. And multiply those answers together. So you would multiply, like for instance here, you would multiply negative 5/8 times 0 times negative 1 to get your code. Let me know if you have any questions on that one. Puzzle 3. Solve the following 5 problems. The code to unlock puzzle 3 is a 5-digit code according to the correct answers. The correct code for the problem 1 will be the first digit in the code, and so on. So in the equation 15y minus 3 equals 25, what vocabulary word can be used or best used to describe 15 in the context? Well, it's not an integer because integers are just numbers. 3 and 25 are integers. A variable are your letters, so y is your variable, so that's not it. Coefficient, that seems promising. Term is the whole entire thing, and expression is not it either. So your coefficient is in fact 15, and that is your answer. So 3 is your first letter in the digit. Solve the rest of them to find your answer. Let me know if you have any questions. Puzzle 4. At a baseball tournament, a team played 7 games. You have to figure out how many total runs they scored in all 7 games to unlock puzzle 4. To do so, you must solve the following equations and use the decipher key to figure out how many runs the answer matched up to. So let's look at this first one. You have to multiply 3 to both pieces, right? So 3 times negative 22x, or 3 times negative 2x is going to give you negative 6x. 3 times 4 is going to give you a positive 12, equals negative 6 minus 12. Okay, so you have to combine those like terms, add 6 on both sides, that'll become 0. Subtract 12 on both sides, that'll become a negative 24. All right, 0 equals 24 is not true, so that first answer is going to be no solution, which is 6. Okay, once you have all answers, you're going to add them up. That's your final answer. and you'll put it here. Let me know if you have any questions.